Alrighty, folks. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. My name is Bojan Petreski. Go by Bo. Easiest to remember. Let's get this party started here. This is the first day of September, 2021. We will be doing the 3D market commentary, and the disclaimer is there for your use, your protection, your understanding. It has already been highlighted. Let's go ahead and get started with the 3D market commentary. Okay, so the 3D market commentary would look something like this in your inbox. It would be delivered daily. We look at the markets using a 3D approach. We look at key market elements such as the market climate, buy and sell UFOs, and market volatility. Auto climate being this on the bottom. Auto UFOs buy and sell areas utilizing the proprietary and patented software that we use at essentially most platforms out there on any instrument, and then of course market volatility utilizing um, option stickers to figure out what the volatility is. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on with ES. So the first one that we have here, as I said, is the ES. The market climate is up again. It is confirmed. It's the eighth day out of typically 9. And as you see, we are yet again pushing at all-time highs. Now, we do have a buy UFO down here at 4440.5 to 4347.75. And then based on the VIX, we're looking at 16.17%. So we're about percent point 0.8 down from that critical point of 18%. And then we are expecting a daily move of 46.19 points. That being said, as I said, it's pretty obvious that again we are in a very very strong kind of a bullish uptrend here. We've had a few pullbacks, nothing crazy, nothing major, but historically September is the month of pullbacks on the markets, on the equities, um, before the last bull run of the year begins, which is the Santa rally as it's commonly known. And we'll be getting interesting, I would say, from this month on to see how we end the year. Now, that's that for the S&P. Now, if you're looking to educate yourself, if you're looking for some education regarding future stocks, forex, backtesting, trading plans, and trading psychology, you can browse and register for a course here. The 3-month complimentary access to Auto UFOs and Auto Climate comes with any of the courses that you purchase. That in itself, in my opinion, is definitely worth the money. All right, now next one, let's go take a look at crude oil. All right, so crude is in an up climate, but it is not confirmed. That's been the case for quite some time now with crude oil. We are looking at a sell UFO that it's currently at. That's from 1619 to 7196. And then a buy UFO from 60.77 to 58.73. Prices, as I said, it already hit that UFO up here on this daily and has since then retracted, a little bit, about 40 something cents. Based on the OVX, we're looking at 34.28% volatility. And I did read in the news this morning that there's going to be an OPEC Plus virtual meeting, so we'll see if there's any volatility coming out of that. And then the daily expected move for oil is 1.48. All right, now if you need auto UFOs, you can basically use them on TradingView, TradeStation, MetaTrader, and a soon-to-come platform that will be revealed in the future. Subscribe to you can subscribe to you can use this link to subscribe to any of the apps that we offer, and then of course we offer monthly and yearly memberships. Okay, looking at gold next. All right. So gold is in an up climate. It is confirmed. The software does count the portions that are actually unconfirmed as well. But as you see, not counting those, we are on the 4th day up out of typically 7. So we still have a little bit in this up climate. However, we are in a strong daily uh, red UFO, and then of course, kind of the line in the sand here at that 1840 area um, has still not been crossed. It's been tested, a few times. So far, nothing yet. We're gonna see what's going to happen. There was a strong sell-off there, pulled back, another pullback down, another strong push in. So we're gonna see what's going to happen there. All right, based on GVZ, we're looking at 15.47%. Um, and then, of course, as I said, buy and sell UFOs. We're currently in one 1804.4 to 1866, and it recently formed 1800.4 1781 point. All right. Now, if you do need, we do have live trading sessions that we have on our channels essentially every day, I believe, Monday through Friday, and certain sharpening sessions on the weekends as well. Um, we do offer all asset advanced coaching, which is for you to set up, an all asset coaching with any one of the instructors here, and you could do a monthly, yearly, or all inclusive membership. You can set up one on ones with any of the instructors and so on. Okay, now looking at the dollar next. It is currently in a confirmed down climate. It's the second day down, really out of 6, because again, it's counting the unconfirmed day as well. You can count those two. I typically do not. 93.75 to 93.455 is the sell UFO from that top. 92.36 to 91.820 is the buy UFO down below. Based on EVZ, we're looking at 5.56% volatility and the daily expected move of 0.32 cents, which has already been reached. All right, now if you don't want to read this overview just in your inbox, you can definitely watch it on our YouTube channel or multiple channels where we broadcast it. LinkedIn, Twitch, Facebook. I think that's about it for now. So they are accessible there. Using this link here, though, it can get you to our YouTube channel where we have, probably a couple thousand videos already posted, so you can catch up to any of those videos by using this link. And we'd appreciate it if you liked and subscribed to our channel so you can get notified every time we go live. All right, and the last market is Bitcoin. All right. Bitcoin right now, it did have a really strong push up right there. Hit that 50,000 mark. Everybody got happy. Did pull back a little bit. Had another strong push only to see it down again. So now it's just kind of in this. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. It's in a kind of a squeeze here. We're gonna see which way it's gonna go. If it's gonna break to the upside or to the downside. Typically, these sort of chart patterns do offer a little bit of upside movement, but it could easily break through this line, this 47,009, which again is also in a UFO 47,167.5 for 43,945. Um, is the current UFO, the sell UFO up above at 54,500 to 57,975. Quite far from here. But again, with Bitcoin, given the fact that it can have a daily expected move of 2,700, that's essentially 2 or 3 up days for Bitcoin. And we think that that's not doable. But then we have something like this where it closed around this 1,000 area down here, and then only for it to open up here at the 35,000 area. So not only did it gap up, it actually shot all the way up to the 40,000 area. So within one day, it went from 31 to close to 40. So that's a $10,000 move in a day. I'm not saying you would have caught all of that. I mean, if you did, congratulations. Um, but if for most of us, that was still a big gap up, a big move up. Um, it did close below 40,000 now, so then it slowly started creeping up and shooting up towards those 50,000 ranges. Okay, now if you're interested but you have any questions, you can schedule a self schedule a clarification call using this link here. You have any questions regarding our courses, apps, coaching, membership, or anything like that, please feel free to schedule one of those so you can get those questions answers before you subscribe. All right, now for today, we do have unemployment change for August. So this is a key factor here to see how we did with August and how Delta is affecting us. A lot of people will be looking at this right now. And then the most important one is going to be the non-farm payrolls on Friday. A couple other news. So retail sales in Europe, trade balance for the Aussie, franc, GDP, retail sales in Europe. All right, folks, that's that for today. I hope you found this session helpful, and I hope to catch you soon next week. Thank you so much, and take care.